How to get more FPS in Counter-Strike 2. Let's get started. So the best way to get more FPS in this game is to adjust your graphic settings. So in order to do that, here are the best resolutions or graphic settings you want to be set up on your CS2. So first is the resolution. You want it to be 1920 by 1080 pixels or 16:9, or you want it to be 1280 by 1024 or 4 by 3 ratio. And that's for the resolution. And for the refresh rate, your monitor's highest should be at least 144 Hz. Now for the display mode, you want it to be on full screen. And for the brightness, it can be however to your liking, but 100% is nicely balanced. And for the boost player contrast, you want it to be enabled, and the VSync, make sure this one is disabled, because this is the one that's mostly causing you to lose more of your FPS. Now you want the NVIDIA, if you're using NVIDIA, the low latency to be enabled, and the anti-aliasing, make sure it is either 4 times MSAA or to the lowest. And for the global shadow quality, you want it at least to be a medium or to the lowest. And for the dynamic shadows, I prefer it not on all, but only limited or some, because mostly it's the shadows that's causing the lag. And for the model or texture detail, at least medium max. So medium is already good, but if your PC can handle, then set it to the lowest. And for the texture, at least 4 times anisotropic. And for the shader detail, set it to medium, not high, because this one is also the one causing lags. And for the particle detail, at least medium or at most, and then ambient occlusion is at least medium, and then for the high dynamic range performance is definitely on the performance rate. And lastly, we have the fidelity FX super resolution disabled. So make sure this is disabled because this is the one that's causing the highest quality on your lag on CS2. And that's how you can basically get more FPS in CS2.